on a mission to catch them all. I must first build a PC. Hello everybody, welcome to Pixelmon, where we are finally... oh, my door's over here. Finally, we are going to build the PC today, because I think I have all my supplies here. So let's go do this. I think we first have to build the anvil, which iron is like that. Oh, that. Wait, what? Oh, no, it's the other way around. Whoopsies. There, and then take that one out. Yes, the anvil! Oh yeah, baby, we're gonna do it! Alright, so we got that. So now, with the anvil, we need to put that down somewhere. Right? Anvil, we're gonna put you next to this thing. Oh! Yes! And then we need the aluminum. So we're gonna put the aluminum here. I forgot we need a hammer. Let's build the hammer then. So we're gonna make this with cobblestone instead. Do that, and then da. Oh yes, a stone hammer. That should work better. Is this how I do it? Oh! Yeah! Okay! The suspense is killing me. Come on. Ooh! It's working! It's working! I think. Oh, snap! It is working! Oh. I did it! Yay! So now I need to do this with how many other ones? 6 times. Okay, so we're gonna speed through this. Also, I'm doing this without cheats. So if you need some more, I don't even know how to say that, bauxite? Bauxite? I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Don't roast me. You can actually get these by defeating a whole bunch of gravelers, because they're 100% holding this, and then they're also holding gravel sometimes. And then with the iron ore, oh, that took a lot of mining. But I did it though. I did it. Without cheats. Because no one likes a cheater. Right? I want to make this so that everyone could do this, not just the people who use cheat codes, because I don't use cheat codes. Oh! Snap. I don't like it. I feel like it takes the joy out of it. Gosh, this is taking forever. It's like I'm hammered. Any day now. Okay, this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. There we go. Come on. Oh, I've been working on the railroad all flippin' day. No, come on. Seriously, I've been doing this all day. Just let me have the last one. You know, if I had buns of steel, I could just sit on them and they'd flatten. And I got them! Yes! We need a glass pane, so I forget. Isn't it just all these? Or, no, it showed it for a second. Yeah, glass pane. There we go. Alright, so we got the glass panes. Now, somehow, I had redstone in my trunk. I'm not sure how. So what we're going to do is put the aluminum on the outside, like that. Then you put the glass pane up there like that. The redstone dust, or just redstone right there. And then the redstone lamp. Here, moment of truth. We got the PC! Oh, yeah! Yes! Ah, we can have a Pokemon party! Alright, we're gonna put the PC right there. Oh, yes! We can get our Pokemons! Yay! My Magikarp. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, we're gonna raise the Magikarp into a Gyarados. So we're gonna put him... We're gonna switch Hitmonchan. Oh, the Swablu would be actually really nice. Rufflet. Oh, this is actually really hard. How do I get Gengar in this one? Because obviously we can't trade, right? Maybe. I'm actually not sure. But we also have a Corphish, we do need a water type. My favorite water type, Greninja. Yes, we need to. That needs to happen. Tauros. We'll switch out the Tauros for the Rufflet, because we need a flying type, and he's normal as well. Yeah, we'll do that. And then, how do I break this? Can I just hit it? No? Do I need a pickaxe? Because I'm going to carry this with me. Oh, yes, there we go. Oh, so we did it. We did it. Haha, we got Pokemons. Oh, but there you go, guys. That's how you build the PC. And then to Pokemon Journey. Yeah. Teddy Ursa, would you just be quiet? Oh, the sun's going down. Or is it coming up? What is this little thing? That is a Swadloon. Ooh, I don't have that. Oh, the sun's coming up. Okay, I don't have to go to sleep. Ooh, a Tauros. Magikarp will not do good against that. But we can get some XP with from this guy.
Charmeleon.
Wait, what? Why was it Charmeleon? Oh well. Bye-bye. Oh, that's how I got the redstone dust. Oh, there we go. Well, if you want to know, that's how you do it, guys. So let's get this Gyarados. Well, hi guys. Are you taking a bath? Oh, so fun.
Teddy Ursa.
Okay, Teddy Ursa, you just need to be quiet. Yeah. Wait. There we go. Oh, Magikarp has. Oh, Magikarp didn't heal from when I last battled it. Oh shoot. Let's send out. Oh, and Rufflet. Oh, I need to heal them. Whoops. All right. We'll send out Larvitar because he needs some experience points. And Feint Attack. Yeah, that shouldn't do too much. Fight. Let's do Rock Slide. Okay, there. Fling, but nothing happened. That's okay. We will use Bite. Yay. Almost there. Critical hit. Yes. We've won the battle. Ooh. We'll take the fish. So we're going to go heal the Pokemons. Yep, there's Magikarp in the Great Ball. Oh, it's nighttime. I thought the sun was coming up, but it's actually going down. Well, it went down. So we're going to change that right now, because I don't like playing in the dark. Night-night. Also, I got this fossil. I don't even know what to do with it, but I got it. I'll find that out in a future episode. But yeah, I got a fossil. Look at that. And a couple TMs. I got Bulldoze and Incinerate. That should be fun. And I also got some silicone ore, which I have no idea what I'm supposed to use that with. Alright, Magikarp, let's do some work. We are ready. Oh, shoot. That happened. Let's do... I guess Bayleaf, because electric is not very effective against grass. Quick attack? Oh, don't get me paralyzed on that one. That'd be bad. That's bad. Let's play the long game. Poison Powder. But it failed because I have not used a move. Poison Powder. Let's quit avoiding the attack. Yeah, stop that. There we go, Poison Powder. It has been poisoned. Magical Leaf. Spark. There you go, and use the poison. Alright, and now Razor Leaf. Yeah, would you stop using Quick Attack? There we go, all gone. We won, and... Whoa, a magnet? Heck yeah, I'll take a magnet. Sentret level 5. Do you think Magikarp could... Well, does Magikarp know how to attack? Ooh, it knows tackle. Okay. Oh, that did a lot of damage. I mean, we are at a significantly higher level, but still, that's still, Magikarp did damage. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that didn't hurt too much. Tackle, and he's gone. 40 XP. Yay, and yeah, we'll take the leather. Why not? Rattata, are you at a low level? Or Meowth? Whoa, you're actually at a high level. Rattata, level 11. We can take that on. Yeah. Whoops. Sorry, Magikarp. You're a fish out of water. I missed. Would you stop running away, Rattata? Would you eat that? Here we go. 11. He may actually be able to kill me. So we'll actually switch out, but he'll have some XP. So I'm actually going to send out Rufflet because I've not used him yet. Tail Whip. That's okay. Wing Attack. Yay. On the battle. Oh no, we turned him into rotten flesh. Whoopsies. Starly? What? Oh wait. Whoa, is that a Donphan? Oh my goodness, it's a Donphan! He's so cool. What level are you? 25? We could actually take that on. I should have chosen a water type, but Gengar is so cool. How do I get Gengar, guys? Please let me know in the comments. Which your comments really helped last time. like once I find that little place, that portal thing that I didn't know what it was, I found out what it was. So thank you, comments, for which please let me know in the comments, because last comments from my last video really helped out quite a bit. So I'm looking forward to more of those. Like, where the heck do I get Gengar? And where's the portal thingy? Let me check my comments here. Alright, so yeah, an ultra space dimension is where that little thing is. That portal leads. Interesting. A Machop. Oh, we have a Rufflet. We can use fly attacks on it. So we'll switch out to Rufflet now. Wow, Rufflet has 102 hit point for level 36, unevolved. That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. Wing attack. He should be gone. Yep, bye-bye. Cobblestone. Oh, I'll take the stick and then drop that. That looks like a big Sentret and a tiny turtle. What the? Oh my gosh, that is a tiny turtle. Or Torkoal. That's a big Sentret. Magikarp, kill a Sentret. That's right, that's the attitude. We're gonna get a Gyarados. We're gonna get a Gyarados. Tackle. There we go. And tackle. Yes! Good job, Magikarp. And sure, we'll take the leather. Is that the other? No, that's a different Torkoal. Hey, there's the tiny one. Wow, look at all the Pokemon. This is amazing. Oh, I love this game so much. Come on, Machop. Yeah! Oh, was that a trainer up there? Level 5? We can take it on. Tackle. That's right, Magikarp. Do your thing out of water. I do wonder when I get more Pokemon how they'll look outside of their Pokeball on land, like when I catch more water types. Now let's do one more tackle. Yes! We won the battle, and yes, I take the stick and drop the cobblestone. I don't need it. Geodude, Machop. We'll go for you. And we'll switch out to Rufflet. Knockoff. I'm pretty sure I'm not holding an item at the moment. I don't think. Yep, he's gone. Critical hit. Nice. Magikarp level 19. We'll take the stick. Ooh, a Wishmer. I'll have Larvitar attack that one. I'll have Larvitar fight this one. Yeah! Level 15. Nope. Go back. Larvitar needs some love. Because Tyranitar is amazing. Echoed Voice. Not very effective. Not surprised because it's a normal move. Rock Slide. Should hurt a little bit. Oh, or just knock him out entirely. Okay, that works. We won, and yes, we will take the gunpowder. And we'll put it there, because I don't like carrying it in my hand. I want a free hand. Alright, and I know the apricorns you get in here. Yay! Oh, Geodude. Oh. Ooh, a Starly. Ooh. Whoa, what are you doing? What happened to you? Yeah! We may have to capture this one. No, who's getting hurt? Nah, we'll just take it out. Larvitar. But also, I do want to catch every single Pokemon, but I kind of want to raise a little bit of each one. Not really just catch them all and leave them in my PC the whole time. I like to swap them out every now and then. Ooh! I'll take those. Who's hurt? Do you need help up, Geodude? Oh, you need some more help. There you go. See? You have a way out now. And I'll just throw those away. Ooh, a Graveler. So this is what I'm telling you guys. Okay, so we are going to get the Bowix. We will not fight with Magikarp. We will swap out to Haunter. Haunter was actually what I was using because for some reason it's not affected by Explosion. Because it's a normal move. So I just keep on using Nightshade. Because that's really the only way I'm going to deal damage. Self-destruct, and then, yeah, it doesn't affect Haunter. It's kind of weird. And then there you go. The Bowix. Bauxite ore. So I take that, and then usually it's other gravel, so I just drop that. But yeah, that's how you get it. And that's what I was doing the whole time to build the PC. So you just need to walk around trying to find a bunch of gravelers. Let's get something over here that Larvitar can attack. Ooh, there's an Ekans. Hello, Ekans. Level 10. Do you... maybe we can take it on. Tackle. Oh, it's gonna be a long fight. Bite. Oh my goodness. Do we have this one? Oh my goodness, we might actually win this one. This is amazing. Go on, Magikarp. Just tackle it. Keeps on using Leer. That's perfectly okay. Tackle. Oh, almost there. Oh, shoot. Okay, nope, switching out now. Switching out. We'll switch to Larvitar. That's enough, Magikarp. Go, Larvitar. I can use Leer. Larvitar's defense was decreased. You know what I think about that? Rock Slide. Boop, 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 boop. He gone. Ooh, Scary Face. I don't... Is that the one that paralyzes? No, it just harshly lowers its speed stat? Actually, no. I don't want to give up anything. I don't want to learn Scary Face. So, yes, we'll give it up. And we'll drop the Rotten Flesh. Because we don't need it. Now I'm going to go heal Magikarp really quickly so I can take on maybe that Sentret over there. Yeah. Alright, and then I'm going to make it daytime because, well, actually, different Pokemon come in at night. So, we're going to go night hunting. Ooh, that's Eradicate. Let's go see what this Eradicate's doing. He'll give me some XP. Won't you, little Eradicate? Level 32? Oh my goodness, I actually don't want to deal with that. I'd rather do... Ooh, Jigglypuff, hello. Oh my gosh, 35... Oh, I thought it said 25. This may be bad. Let's switch out to Rufflet. Don't sing, don't sing. Oh, Wake Up Slap, okay. I'll take that instead of sleep. Hone Claws. Oh no, it's, in this game, isn't it a fairy type? Let's find out. Hone Claws. Oh, that didn't do damage. Oh, Gyro Ball, hello. That hurt. Wing Attack. Oh, that was really quick, actually. She's so sweet, we turned her to a sugar. We'll take it. Nope. Don't throw it. Pick it up. There we go. And a Hoot. Are you at a weak level? Oh. Could we do this? Let's find out. Tackle. Oh, no. That's way too long. Because, well, Healing knows Foresight and Peck, isn't it? Oh, no, he knows Tackle, and that does quite a bit. So we're going to switch out to Larvitar because he knows Rock Slide. And Hoot does not like that. Confusion. Oh. Oh, no. This could be bad. Rock Slide. And hurt himself. Lovely. But the Tackle won't do that much. There we go. Come on, Larvitar. We got this. Rock Slide. Yes! There we go. You are the best. You are the best. And what do we get from... Oh, wait. Magikarp. Yes. I'll take those. Then, yes. Magikarp. Oh, the Gyarados has arrived. Oh, it's a big Magikarp. The Gyarados is about to arrive. Come on. Oh, yeah, that's so cool. Where'd you go? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this little portal thing I was talking about. Hi, Gyarados. Oh, that's so awesome. Can I ride it? Oh, that'd be so cool if I could ride it. That's so cool. That sounds so cool too. Oh, hello, Shuppet. I need... Oh! Gyarados. Oh yeah, it has the Intimidate. And then... Goodbye, Shuppet. Bite. Gyarados is flipping out. Oh, knockoff. Oh, shoot. That... A critical hit? Really? I just got him. Bye. It's super effective. We won the battle and we got a Ghost here. We need to deposit some items. Alright. Whoa! Hello, Zangoose. Let's get out in the open to see Gyarados better. Hello, Ekans. You want to fight Gyarados? You want to fight Gyarados? Huh? Oh, look! Oh, poop. Dang it! I didn't heal him. Oh, that's effect is actually really cool. Way better than the original game's sound effects. Bite. Bye-bye, Ekans. Alright, let's go heal Gyarados. Alright. Hello, Ponyta. Level 40. Wow. You're a strong one, aren't you? Let's avoid that one. And are you a trainer? No. Okay. Ooh, that looks like a trainer. That policeman. You must be a trainer, right? 42? Nope, I can't take that on. Whoopsies. Nope, that's a big mistake. A big mistake. Let's take on the Furret. Yeah. Intimidate activates, so now we'll just keep on using Bite. I forget which level Gyarados learns his next move at. I think it's like 25? Something like that. We win the battle, and sure, we'll take all that. Why not? Another Sentret. Goodbye, Sentret. Bite. Bye-bye. And we'll take those. Ooh, a Tauros. That'll give us a lot of XP, won't it? I think so. Depending what level it's at. Are you at a decent level? 22? Oh yeah, that's decent. That's really decent. Oh, that sound effect's so cool. I'm so glad they went with these sound effects and not like the ones in the handheld games. So glad. Bite. Oh. This may take a second. Bite again. Oh boy. This may take a second. Oh boy. This take a while. Alright, let's just switch that to... Let's go with Larvitar. Anything he has won't be super effective. So let's do Rock Slide. Oh, that's more effective than Gyarados' Bite, surprisingly. Chip Away. Woke up, Scary Face. Decrease sharply, that's okay. Chip Away, I'm okay with that. Rock Slide. Yeah, see, Larvitar, we got this. And Rock Slide one more time. Ow, don't poke me with your horns. Yay, there we go. Gyarados just learned Leer. Okay. 45 speed. Yeah, look at all that attack. Woohoo, yeah. Oh, we turned him into Kibble. Lovely. A Plusle. Well, that doesn't look like the diagram everyone else is. Let's end him. Not with Gyarados, because we are super bad against him. Let's use Bayleaf. Waiting. Nuzzle. Aw, oh no, he paralyzed me. You snuggle monster. Deceptive snuggle monster. Swift. That'd be a good move to have. Bayleaf is paralyzed. No. Poison powder. Quit nuzzling me. There we go. Poison powder. Landed. So even if I'm paralyzed, he'll still lose health. Let's do Magical Leaf. Never misses. And I think it's like 60 power. Booyah. No, stop hurting me. Oh, yay. That works. And yes, we will take the redstone. Now, where do I find Greninja in this game? That's a really good question that I would like to know. I'm guessing in like the water biomes, maybe? Well, this was a very successful day. What? No, I'm talking. You don't. What? Oh, it's a Viper. Ooh, that'd be interesting to have. But anyway, guys, if you believe in your dreams, you can make them happen. Just like I finally built a PC. And I can finally use all the Pokemon I've been wanting. Oh, this game is a dream come true. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, click on that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Carvana?